So here's how you're going to add a back to top button in Wix. So first things first is to go to wix.com and then head over to your dashboard. In your dashboard, click on edit site. And once you hit on edit site, it will immediately take you to the website editor. Once you're on the Wix website editor, what we're going to do is going to scroll down to the bottom website. And then once we're here, I'm just going to add an element. Let's click on this add elements at the left side of the screen. And then from here, tap on this button and then look for a back to top button. It may look like this arrow over here. So what we're going to do is to drag this and then drop it where we want it to be. For example, I'm just going to put it over here and then wait for it to load. And then we're going to resize it just so it becomes more visible, especially on the web's desktop version. So I'm just going to resize it and adjust. And then once we have added the button in our website, what we're going to do is to click on this link icon over here. So we could link it to the top of our page. Now, once we have this pop-up box, what we're going to do is to click on this top or bottom of the page. And then since we want it to be back to top, we're going to press on this top icon so that when the viewers click on this, it will immediately take them to the top of the page. Once we have tapped on that, let's click on done. And then in order for that to be applied in our page, let's hit on save. Then save and continue. Then after that, let's just preview that bit before we hit on publish. So as you can see in our preview, we already have this button right here. Now let's click on it. And it immediately took us back to our top page. And that's it.